Last video we said the next step was wiring the quantum context selector directly into the AI pipeline, so it's not a standalone experiment anymore. It runs live on every single conversation. That's exactly what we did. This is part 3. This is where it stops being a demo and becomes a real system. Every message that comes into Nexus AI goes through this pipeline. The session signals what kind of task is this, what's the pressure level, what does this person actually need right now. Those get encoded as qubits. The quantum circuit runs, it collapses to the right context frame. Then out of 94 memory fragments, it selects the 5 that tell the most coherent story for this moment. That context goes in. Claude responds, the whole thing invisible to the user. They just notice the AI feels sharper. Here's what the system is doing. Out of 94 memory fragments, it's selecting 5. Not 5 with the highest scores, 5 that form the most coherent picture of the situation. Token usage is flat even as memory grows. The context frames scrappy mode, sales mode, technical build mode, strategic mode are being selected by the circuit based on actual session signals, not hard-coded rules. The Haiku model handles low-risk tasks, Sonnet handles anything complex. The system that thinks about cost before output. The difference isn't dramatic on screen. The UI looks the same, but the AI feels different. And not because we changed any rules. We changed what it understands about the current moment before it responds. That's the whole argument made real. Behavior isn't controlled by restrictions. It's produced by understanding. And now there's a live production system proving it. This isn't about replacing Claude or replacing any AI. It's about what sits between the data and the model. Right now that layer is almost always classical. Recency-based, keyword-based, flat. What we built is a context selection layer that thinks about combination coherence, task signals, and session state before a single token gets sent. That's the gap. That's where the real work is, and that's what this series has been building toward. Today, there's a quantum context routing system running in production on my own infrastructure, built from scratch, battle-tested, and live. Not a tutorial project, not a demo, an actual working system making actual AI conversations smarter in real time. If you've been following this series from part 1, thank you. If this is the first video you've seen, go back and watch from the beginning. The whole arc is there. And if you're building something yourself and this gave you one idea worth keeping, that's the point. That's always been the point. If you have any questions or have an idea for a test you'd like me to try, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you on it and possibly do a video about it. Stay safe, use AI responsibly, and have a great day. See you soon.